split.
That's nice. I love that crunching sound.
Too many knots.
Oh, that's a perfect chair. But whatever, we're gonna sell it for wood. You know the big wood you can use for chairs. But apparently Les doesn't like wood chairs. You always keep hitting that branch, okay?
I'm gonna cut that branch down soon, because it's really annoying.
Why don't you cut it down right now? It's got a chain on it for free. Well, at least we got a lot of wood this time.
Why am I always so bad on video? Every single time.
I don't know. Don't ask me. That's good, a couple of pieces right there.